A dead tree. But it's broken off at the bottom. Still hanging there in another one. But you can see the bottom of her right there. Nothing between it and the ground. Yeah, September 17th. Figured I'd give you a bit of an update. Where am I going here? We're in the back of the house today. So I got all my epoxy pour done. And my wife painted the windows. And they look pretty good, nice and solid. It's waterproof as a canoe. So they got done a couple of days ago. That's the first one I did. Yeah, she got painted, finished painting them a couple of days ago. They look good. And like I said, nice and waterproof. So finally got that done. Come around the side of the house. Underneath there I had to inject a little bit of spray foam in it. Stop some drafts. And we've been doing lots of that, caulking and weather stripping and stuff. And that was fun, getting down in the window well, to get those ones fixed up. But they're all done. And they're looking good. That's the bathroom downstairs. Oh, look at this guy. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, missed him. And yeah, got the siding all taken off there and house wrap and it all fixed up. Ready for new, I'm going to do it all in cedar. Oh, there he is. And that's the old siding right there that I pulled off. Still not done yet. The heat's been coming on. Weather's been closing in. Gonna be soon time to be having snow here in this part of the world. We'll come down to the basement. Need some lights on here. So, the guest bathroom. Oh, there's the fan on. I had to make a new countertop. The ceramic sink sat on there. There was no support in the middle of it, and it cracked. So I switched it out for another ceramic sink, and the same thing happened again. So for the third time, I just made up my own little vanity. Just plywood with some leftover walnut. And I put her on there. And she looks not too bad. There's about 8 coats of poly on it. When I go inside, I don't know if I got enough light to show this. Let me see if I can get you in there. These undermount sinks, there, you can see it right there. See the screw there that holds the sink down? I always find that they dig into the wood, so that you see a round disc there. And what that is the little piece that you pop out of an electrical box. Give it a little bit of support there. I thought that was a good solution to the problem. That way the screws aren't going to sink into the plywood and get all ruined. Okay, we'll go upstairs and show you what else we've been up to. Nothing in the home itself. Like I said, mostly a lot of weather stripping that. New weather stripping on this door. And we put a little latch on it there so we can close it up when we need to. And curtains for the across there. And a curtain across here. Get up here. Just to try to insulate everything. We're not going to turn the heat on this side for this year. Okay, brace yourself. We're coming into the chapel. And as you can see, all the ceiling tile is down. The roof leaks like a sieve. So the worst part of it is over here, when we took the insulation out and the vapor barrier down. And then I took another piece of vapor barrier. So now when it leaks right through into a bucket, into a big tote. So yeah, there's over 1,000 ceiling tiles. And there's some of them there. Some of them have already gone. And the insulation that was still good, and more ceiling tiles. Garbage bags of insulation. More ceiling tiles, more garbage bags of insulation. New weather stripping on that door. Just slowly tightening it up. Okay. Down to the shop. Boy, this is going to be a short one. Did a quick tour. My shop is an unmitigated disaster area. So I've just been setting up for the dado stack. I'm going to put a shiplap siding on it, solid cedar, and that's the cutout for the bottom of the door there, so it wraps around up underneath. It's still not fitting quite there yet, but we're just getting set up. Got cases and crap sitting all over the place. Working on more than one thing at a time, and still haven't cleaned up from painting the vanity top. But yeah, what can you do, right? So yeah, we're just about caught up. Let's go back up the other way. Oh, there's another thing that I gotta fix up. It's just a little screen thing that decorative. It got broke. What am I stepping on there? Oh, pieces of wood on the floor. Yeah, other than that, busy all the time. So the guy that I got to do the roof can't make it here until next year, so our plans right now is just to slowly gut this place and like I said, we're not going to heat it during the winter. Just slowly tear it apart and fix it up. A squirrel's been living in there, so that's got to come down. I don't think we're going to take it all down, and I'm not sure what we're going to do yet with it as the end result. We have no idea what we're doing. I don't think I've ever brought you in through here before. Oh, there's a bucket there. We'll have to go around the other way. Or can I get through this way? Yes, I can get through this way. Yeah, a bucket there. So yeah, more tearing out and more buckets. And let's see if I can weave my way through here. So yeah, we're just using it as storage right now, so, and nothing important. Got my tool bag down there. Pieces of glass, a few other things. And we're back at that curtain that we came through. That big area back there was where the baptismal font was. More new weather stripping. So basically we're just sealing off this side from the other. And we'll go back outside. See what's going on. Oh, look at cute little bugger. But all in due time. So the outside work is coming to an end. Not too much more to do. We'll be getting, like I said, we'll be getting snow soon, so yeah, even with the Tyvek on there, it looks better than what it was before. So that first piece that I showed you down in the shop, it'll be going right below the door there. And it'll wrap up around. And then I'll start shiplapping all the way up on either side. And I have just the thing to make sure, you know, the most critical piece is the first piece. So I've got just the thing to make sure that that first piece is absolutely level. Got a nice little toy. It's a Bosch green line laser. GLL 140G. So yeah, if it's not level, it flashes. There we go. So that's got some sort of all kinds of fancy little stand on it and everything. But yeah, self-levels, and that'll get my... And it has different modes on it too. So let's see. There's a vertical line and a cross. And then a horizontal line. So pretty handy. Kind of a neat toy. I'll make sure I turn it off. It just takes 4 AA batteries. So yeah, that's it. Other than that, we've been working our little butts off and getting things straightened out around here. Hopefully ready for winter. I'm so glad those windows are done. Alright. I hope you're all doing well out there. Thank you very much for dropping by. You know, do all the normal stuff, like, subscribe, ring the bell, all that kind of schwaz.